Welcome to OH&F Health and Fitness, Corporate Wellness Solutions. Today, we will be discussing how businesses can secure myofascial release programming with OH&F Health and Fitness. We will then conclude a 60-second call to action challenge that can be done at your desk or within your workspace. So, why secure myofascial release programming with OH&F Health and Fitness? Chronic pain, absenteeism, fatigue. These aren't just personal struggles. They're costly business problems. But what if a successful solution isn't just another ergonomic chair or a generic stretch break? For more than 13 years, I've helped people break free from myofascial tightnesses and restrictions. Myofascial tightness being the hidden cause of stiffness, poor posture, and repetitive stress injuries. And businesses are taking notice. 56% of lost productivity in the workplace is linked to musculoskeletal issues. I'm going to repeat. 56% of lost productivity in the workplace is directly linked to musculoskeletal issues. When fascia is restricted, employees tend to compensate with strained movements, commonly resulting in more fatigue, more injuries, and more missed workdays. But with targeted myofascial release, the body resets. Employees move better, recover faster, and stay present. That's why forward-thinking companies are adding myofascial release and soft tissue manipulation interventions to their wellness programs and solutions. Here's how it can work. We start with an on-site assessment to help identify common patterns in your work team. Then, we implement a customized program unique to your individual team's needs. Whether it's weekly on-site sessions, ergonomic coaching, or self-care workshops. The results: healthier employees, lower healthcare costs, and a team that performs at their best. It's time to invest in your team's resilience. Let's talk. Reach out to me here. All right, awesome. It's now time for our call to action challenge. Today, we're going to be doing a static lunge with side bends. We're gonna need to stand up for this one. All right, so to perform the lunge with the side bends, first, I'm going to take a side view so that you can see me a little better, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna take a decent step forward. We're gonna keep our front leg with the bend at the knee. Our back leg stays straight. From here, we're gonna take the hand of the front leg and reach across to the other side. Make sure the arm is straight up first, and then you're gonna reach. You're gonna feel that deep stretch in the obliques, all right? This is going to help alleviate some of those tightnesses in the lower back, and also to help strengthen and loosen up your obliques as well, okay? We're gonna do 30 seconds on one side, then we're gonna switch, bend that knee, and do 30 seconds on the other side. On the other side. With these side bends, it's up to you how deep of a lunge you want to take, all right? The deeper the lunge, the more of a stretch you're going to feel in that back leg, as well as in the front leg, the quads of the front leg. For purposes of today, we do not need to take a deep lunge position, okay? This is fine, or even this is fine, all right? This today is more about getting the obliques and releasing that lower back. Let's get in position. I already took my shirt out, my shirt from being overhead. All right, let's get in position. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Stretch. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. In through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Try to get a little deeper in those bends as you can. The deeper you can get, the better. And the stretch of the side bend, okay? Inhale, exhale. And you should feel that in your obliques, and this is helping with your lower back. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna switch sides, get into that position. Make sure that back leg is straight. The front leg has the knees bent. Inhale, exhale. Try to reach a little deeper with that arm. Inhale, exhale. Loosen up. If you deal with lower back pain, you're really gonna feel this stretch. Tremendously amazing stretch. That front leg is helping us a lot in this stretch to help with our lower back. 3, 2, 1. All right. Whew. Oh my goodness. You should feel some of that stretch here in the obliques, and you should also feel some of that alleviated tightnesses in your lower back. This is definitely something that you can do on a regular basis, even daily, to help alleviate lower back pain. Fantastic work with those side bends from that lunge position. Phenomenal. You should really be feeling those obliques loosening up, and you should probably feel your quads and your hamstrings a little worked as well, either stretched or worked. For more actionable solutions, be sure to follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and of course subscribe to my website and my YouTube channel. Business owners, HR leaders, and wellness coordinators, don't wait until your employees are in pain to take action. I'm now offering exclusive on-site wellness workshops to bring these proven techniques directly to your team. Simply DM me or click the link in my bio to reserve your spot now. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build healthier workplaces together.